Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you like it, please do subscribe. So in this video for learning Darts, we are going to understand the use of switch case. So creating a new file, 12, I say switch case dot dart. Here I say again void main, simple. Here I am going to use switch. First of all, I take a variable, I say int, I say value equal to 5 like this, and I say switch. Here I say value. Remember that in switch case, we have to put here the value like this variable. When we want to use switch as compared to if. In if we have a multiple variables, multiple conditions, but in switch we have a single variable with multiple values. Remember that this variable we have multiple values. On the basis of that value of a single variable, if you want to check something, then we have to use switch. So first of all, we have a case 1 here. So if I say if 1 is there, then you have to print the value this is 1. Okay, for example, remember that. Then I say case 2, then I say print and I say this is 2 like this. Then I say case 3 and I say print this is 3 like this. Then I say default, remember that, print and I say this is not, and I say false selection, this is not the value which you want. Remember that. So we have a switch, we have a value, the value of this is 5 right now, variable value is 5, so it does not match with 1, doesn't match with 2, doesn't match with 3, it matches with default, means it does not found, so it will display false selection. Dart run 12, if you say, it will say false selection. Why? Because the value is not 1 to 3. But if I say the value is 1, that means it will display this is 1. And same we can do for a string also. Suppose if I say value is, I say here bike, and I want to check the value in a string format. So I say bike, and here I say car, here I say scooter. Okay, but here what is the problem? Problem is int. So we have to convert into string. You see, now you can check this value also. We have bike here, we have this here, and remember that here if I say bike, condition this is true. So in case of a string, you can use like this, run it, this is 1, but I can say this is bike, this is car, this is scooter, false selection. Run once again and you see that this is bike, executing, and you see that this Dart is so much intelligent. We are not putting here break, but you can put break also if you want. It doesn't require, but I'm telling you that we can use break also in this same execution is there. But if you ignore it, you can ignore it because it not required break in switch case in Dart, but you can use like other programming language use C, Java or other. But in Java also we have some optimization. After Java 8 we have a switch expressions also, so doesn't require every time to use break statement. But here also it is optimized automatically. We are not using break here, it is optional one, but you can use break if you want. This is also the another use of break in Dart programming language. But here I am explaining you that if I say here car, then it will display car also, and it not going later on in the next case. So doesn't require to use break in switch case in Dart programming language. But rest of all these things, signatures and the syntax, everything is same as compared to JavaScript, Java, C, C++. Every language have same kind of concept to use switch. Remember that. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.